what will happen over the course of the next 66 laps. Max Verstappen is champion!
You have been hearing about F1 too, right? Cool. Let's talk about it.
Formula One racing into Miami for the first time.
The hottest ticket in town.
Hooked on Drive to Survive.
Drive to Survive.
Drive to Survive.
Formula One is a car race like no other, a fly-octane spectacle of speed, technology and human engineering. This car reached mind-boggling speed of over 200 miles per hour, zipping through cities all over the world. These drivers are insanely famous and teams consist of hundreds of people, and the cars themselves are so advanced they are practically spaceships on wheels. In fact, the sports is so expensive that team had to impose a spending cap of $140 million per year. Not including the driver's salary, huh? And yet, F1 is only getting bigger and more popular. Just look at the construction footage from the brand new Miami Grand Prix circuit. This track cost a staggering $40 million to build and hosted nearly 250,000 spectators over 3 days. That's a Super Bowl worth of people every day. But for many newcomers, the hype surrounding F1 can be a little confusing. So,
I don't understand.
let's break it down in this F1 Explained for Rookies guide.
Miami Grand Prix, we're racing in the States and it's lights out, away we go.
At its core, F1 is a form of open-wheel single-seater racing, where teams design, build and race their own cars. Unlike other racing series like IndyCar, where all teams use the same chassis, F1 teams have the freedom to engineer their cars from the ground up. This is what sets F1 apart and fuels the intense competition. It's not just about how you race, but also how you build and continuously improve your car. Each F1 event or Grand Prix spans 3 days: practice, qualifying and race day. On qualifying day, drivers compete to set the fastest lap times, determining their starting position for race day. The order you start in this race is very crucial because passing isn't easy on this tight circuit. Depending on where they finish, drivers earn points towards the Drivers' Championship, while teams earn points towards the Constructors' Championship. This dual championship system sometimes creates interesting strategic dynamic between drivers and teams. But what truly sets F1 apart is the cutting-edge technology that goes into these cars. Think of an F1 car as an upside-down airplane designed to cling to the ground rather than take a flight. See how the aerodynamic design creates low pressure underneath, essentially sucking it down onto the track. This is just one example of the symphony of aerodynamics that allow F1 cars to corner in incredible speed while maintaining grip. Teams are constantly refining and perfecting these designs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in areas like aerodynamics, material science, and hybrid powertrains. Of course, all of this innovation comes at a staggering cost.
How much does a Formula One car cost?
$400 million.
Was it worth all that money?
While teams are tight-lipped about the exact figures, research suggests that annual budget can range from $95 million to over $400 million.
Ooh, that's a lot of money.
Surprisingly, most teams operate close to break-even, with any profit being modest. So why do they do it at the very first time? For many teams like Ferrari, F1 is a vital marketing platform for their brand and other products. It's essentially a massive advertising and R&D exercise, with the hope that innovations will eventually trickle down to the consumer vehicle. But F1 is more than just entertainment or marketing. It's a grand experiment in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry and the engineering around it. While the trickle-down effect is debated, many technology we know take for granted, from paddle shifters to traction control, were either directly developed or significantly advanced by F1 teams chasing that extra edge. And as we move towards an electric future, F1 is adapting too. with hybrid powertrains and a focus on thermal efficiency and data collection that could pave the self-driving cars. Formula One is a spectacle unlike any other, a high-stake arena where the world's brightest minds compete to build the fastest, most advanced machine on the planet. Love it or hate it, there is no denying its role is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automation engineering. Now, you are up to speed on the basics. As you watch the next race, you can appreciate not just the speed and excitement, but also the incredible feast of engineering and innovation happening right before your eyes. And who knows, the technology being developed today might just shape the car we will be driving tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video. Thank you.